Hello, today we are going to learn model evolution in machine learning. Model evaluation is an essential step in any machine learning project. It helps to assess the performance of the model and identify areas for improvement. The goal is to develop a model that generalizes well to new data. Holdout method, splitting the data into training and testing sets. Cross-validation, splitting the data into multiple subsets for testing and training. Bootstrapping, resampling the data to create multiple training and testing sets. Classification problems, accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, regression problems, mean absolute error, mean squared error, R-squared clustering problems, silhouette score, Kolinsky-Harabas index. A table used to evaluate the performance of a classification model. It shows the number of true or false positives and true or false negatives. From the confusion matrix, we can calculate evaluation metrics such as precision and recall. ROC receiver operating characteristic curve is a plot of true positive rate against false positive rate. It helps to visualize the trade-off between sensitivity and specificity. The area under the ROC curve OC is a commonly used evaluation metric. Overfitting is a common problem in machine learning. It occurs when the model performs well on the training data but poorly on the testing data. Regularization techniques such as L1-L2 regularization can help prevent overfitting. The bias-variance trade-off is another important concept in machine learning. Bias refers to the error caused by oversimplifying the model. Variance refers to the error caused by overcomplicating the model. Hyperparameters are parameters that are set before the training process. Examples include learning rate, number of hidden layers, and regularization strength. Hyperparameter tuning is the process of finding the optimal values for these parameters. Choosing the best model for a given problem is crucial. It involves comparing the performance of different models using evaluation metrics. Some popular models include linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, and random forests. Model evaluation is a critical step in any machine learning project. It helps to identify the strengths and weaknesses of the model. By selecting the best model and tuning its hyperparameters, we can develop a model that generalizes well to new data. Bishop C. 2006, Pattern Recognition and Machine Learning, Springer, Hasty T. Tibshirani R. and Friedman J. 2009, The Elements of Statistical Learning, Data Mining, Inference, and Prediction. Springer, James G. Whitten D. Hasty T. and Tibshirani R. 2013, An Introduction to Statistical Learning Vol. 112, New York, Springer. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for our next video.